Hello all, welcome to R&D Labs with me Rohant, and in today's session we'll see how to add while loop to your Swift project. In our previous tutorial we have seen how to add for loops. This is another way of writing loops in Swift where you specify a condition upfront and the loop will run until the condition fails. How do we do it? Let's get started.
So for this tutorial, I have created a startup project in Swift using storyboards. And since we have to specify a condition to run a while loop, we will first declare a variable with value 1, increment it until 10, and then we will write a condition to run the while loop. Let's see how it's done. So let's create a variable first. It's a var I number, and we will give it a value as 1. Next, we will write a while loop. Let's say while, and here we have to write a condition. Let's say I number is less than equal to 10, open and close with the curly braces. So what we have done here is we have created a while loop with a condition that this while loop must run only while the I number value is less than equal to 10. So if the value is 11, the while loop will exit automatically, but we haven't yet incremented the value. So let's increment the value of I number. Okay, and we will print the value of I number first. So let's say I number. Okay, let's run this and see. That's it. The while loop has a run from 1 till 10, and at the 11th value it has exited. So you don't see 11 over here in the output window. So as we have seen, the while loop will run continuously until a certain condition is met, that is I number is less than 10 in our case. But in certain conditions you might want to exit a while loop before this condition is met. How it has been done is you have to specify a break keyword. So let's say if I number is 5, then let's exit the loop. So how do you exit a loop? You have to specify a break keyword. Okay, let's run this and see again, and let's see what we have. There it is. So what the while loop has done is it has first added this condition to run a while loop which says I number is less than and equal to 10. So yes, this has satisfied the while loop to run. And the second condition that we have added is if I number equal to 5, okay, then break the while loop, that is come out of the while loop or exit the while loop.
So this is how you add while loop to your Swift project. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section. Please like and subscribe the channel, and see you until next time. Cheers.